Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sonali. So in today's video, I'm going to share my glow up routine with you guys. So for me, glow up isn't just about external beauty, it is also about feeling good about me internally. And today I'm going to share my techniques with you, what I am doing to keep myself sane and happy externally as well as internally. So let's get into the video. So to maintain my internal health sanity, I love doing yoga. Yoga brings out the best of me. It's my way of thanking my body for everything it does for me. Yoga helps in the well-being of my mind, body and energy levels. Yoga means union. When you are in experience of yoga, everything is one. Being in perfect alignment, in absolute harmony, in complete sync with existence is yoga. Next thing that I love to include in my daily routine is meditation. I like to sit alone in a quiet place, close my eyes and start my practice with breathing exercises. Breathe in and then breathe out very gently. And take as many reps as possible to just calm my mind and feel as peaceful as I can. Next thing that I've started including in my daily routine is to drink lots of water. I try to drink 1 to 2 glasses of water every 2 hours. In quarantine, most of us have learned how to cook. I have done the same. One thing that I'm constantly eating is oats chilla. Ingredients that you need for this are oats, masala oats, salt, curd, chili, you can use green or red, and then mix it with water. I love sleeping. Sleeping also reduces stress, it improves your memory and helps you lose weight. What else do you need? So sleep as much as you want. I've started brushing my teeth twice a day, which we all should, but I wasn't doing it earlier, but I've started it now, so okay, forgive me. I've started washing my face twice or thrice a day to remove all the dirt, and also because I have time and you have to, so you should start doing that. To prepare this lip scrub, all you need is sugar and honey, and then mix it with your finger and start applying it, just like I'm doing it in the video. Also by now, as you all know that I love taking care of my skin, so this is what I do mainly. I scrub my face and then scrub it till it dries on my face, and then I remove it gently with water. I have also recently started scrubbing my body as well. You already know that I used to scrub my body with coffee to remove the stretch marks, but I have recently discovered that scrubbing is really good for your body, and you must scrub to remove all the dead skin cells from your body. So yeah, I've started doing this. If you don't have this scrub, organic scrub which I'm using, you can use coconut oil and you can use powdered sugar and then mix it well, and then you can use it as a scrub. So this is how you need to scrub your body. I'm giving a demo on my hand. You can take the scrub and then gently put it all over your body and then massage it in your skin so that the coconut oil gets accumulated in your skin and makes your body feel good and feel smooth. Next thing is my go-to mask. I use multani mitti and some milk in it, and then I mix it well and use it on my face. I love this mask, so whenever my skin isn't feeling well, I use this mask. Next thing is I have started making some juices at home. So this is aloe vera juice which I prepared some days back. If you want full recipe of the juice, you can find it on my IGTV Instagram ID is mentioned here. concept of you are what you eat. So I love eating healthy and I love eating right. I love reading, applying a mask, and reading is next kind of peaceful for me. I love playing with my dog, and that's what I'm doing these days. I'm spending more and more quality time with this little guy. And I guess this is the time where we self-reflect, where we see what is lacking in us and what is lacking in making us happy. Do whatever makes you happy.
So that's all for today, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. I hope you guys found my techniques helpful. If you guys liked the video, do give it a thumbs up. Do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Do share it with your friends and let them know how they can keep themselves sane and happy. Bye. Love you.